Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shariel, and if you're returning, how are you doing? So today I'm going to be doing a straight hair routine, so from curly to straight. I do have several that I made in the past, but this one I promise you will make your hair so much better than the ones that I made in the past. I use different products and I figured out a way how to not make it greasy, but how to make it very shiny and look healthy and blow in the wind. So if you want to see how I do that, please keep watching. And also don't forget to subscribe down below, like, comment if you guys want to try it or how you liked how this looked on me. And also follow me on Instagram. It will be listed somewhere around here. All right, so let's get into it. So because my hair dries so fast when I get out the shower, I always have to wet it. And I've noticed when I blow dry my hair while it's wet, it definitely works so much better. So to start off with, I'm going to be using the Thermal Shield Heat Protectant by Cantu. You could use any heat protectant. I just use this one because I had it for a while, so I'm just trying to finish it up. Next, I'm going to be using the coconut oil hair polishing serum from Palmer's. I always use a hair serum because it makes my hair super shiny, but this one, I don't know, it's just been making it even better. I don't know if my hair is getting healthier or what, but it's been super shiny. So I put that in this first section, and then I take a smaller section to start off blow drying. And I've noticed a difference with my blow drying when I use the comb that's attached to a blow dryer. If you don't have the attachment for your blow dryer, don't worry about it. Just use a brush or a rolly brush, a comb, whatever. But this definitely makes a difference. It blow dries it straighter, so I don't have to put my flat iron on my hair so many times. Alright, so the last product that I'm going to be using is the Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner. I'm sure you've seen this at Walmart, beauty supply stores, Sally's, everywhere, but this is cheap and a little goes a long way. Don't put too much because it will make your hair greasy, but if you put the right amount of product in there, it will definitely make your hair super shiny, and it will definitely stay way longer. Alright, once I finish blow drying both sides of my hair, I'm going to put in all 3 of those products again. Not a lot, again, a little goes a long way. After I finish putting in all those products, I'm going to section off my hair. I do take little sections when I straighten it. If you take thick sections, it won't straighten as well. So make sure you take thinner sections and pass it through with the comb. Go slow when you do pass it through. This video will slow it down for you to show exactly how slow I am going. I always start at the roots. I pass through the roots probably 2 times before I even get to the ends. I don't like passing through the ends too many times because it will fry off your ends. So just try to focus on your roots at first and then, pass through the ends. Make sure you just put the temperature to what is good for your hair. My hair is very thick, so 425 works for my hair. I know other people's hair are thinner, so a lower heat works for them. Just try to figure it out. Don't go too high because it will fry off your hair. So start at a lower heat and work your way up to see what fits for you. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did put a little flip in it, you know. This side never flips as pretty as this side. Well, whatever. So I've been using these products together for like a year now because I've noticed a crazy difference in the way I straighten my hair, like the way it comes out. It's always shinier, like you see. It's lightweight, it's not heavy, and it just stays, it flows better. There's not crazy flyaways, like, you know, it's just pretty. I keep touching it and I need to stop. But yeah, it's been a few months. I think it's been like 7 months since I straightened my hair, and I'm excited it's that season again. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, let me know how it turns out if you try it. And I'm gonna try to link everything down below if I can find everything. If I can't, I'm just gonna, you know, tell you what it was. That's all I got for you guys. Bye.